Hey, it's Kurt with the WP Tonic WordPress Basics course. So far, we've showed you Cadence, how to install Lifter LMS, the course builder, and how to start putting your content in as a course creator. But now we're getting to the stage where we've got all of this set up, but it's not really plugged in together yet. For instance, how would a student or a potential customer find your courses? Well, if you remember, when we did the install wizard with Lifter LMS, we had the system start those pages already. So we have a membership catalog. We have a course catalog. We have these things in place. We just don't have them connected yet so that the user can find them. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to add these items to your main navigation menu using the Cadence theme and the blocks that we've started to work with. It's important to pay attention in this section because as full site editing has taken over, as the Gutenberg block editor has taken over, as different page builders have been in place, using the navigation menu to a website has become a little bit more of a hit or miss kind of idea, depending on what tools you have on your website. So if you've installed your website the way that we've shown you, and you're using Cadence, Cadence Pro, Cadence Blocks, and Lifter LMS, and all of that is the way that we have it here, I'm going to show you how to quickly add these items to your menus. Let's jump into our screen share. We're back on our really cool website based on bicycles. And I'm going to go back to the dashboard. And there's a couple of things that I want to take a look at. One is I'm going to open up the appearance menu inside my site. And you'll notice when I open the appearance menu, menus is one of the things that pops up. Now, normally, right out of the chute, when we look here, you see Lifter LMS is one of these menu items. Sometimes that Lifter LMS item isn't there. I'm going to show you where that's at. This is a pro tip. Go up to screen options. Anytime you're working in the dashboard of a WordPress website, when you go to screen options, it shows you the options for the screen that you are on. So you'll notice Lifter LMS is checked right here and WooCommerce is checked right here. So if this wasn't checked, we wouldn't see the Lifter LMS options inside the menus. So what we want to do is make sure that the Lifter LMS box is checked, close those screen options, and we see that Lifter LMS is right there. So when we take a look at our menu, we have mountain bike, gravel bike, road bike, cyclocross. And if we take a look at the menu, we're in the categories menu. So that's how we know that we're not looking at the main navigation menu for our website. So what we want to do is we want to take a look at our main menu, select that, and then let that come up for us. We don't have a main menu really selected here, do we? So let's go take a look at the different menus. Top header menu, top header primary. So you want to go through the different menus that you have in your site, and you want to find the one that aligns with the starter template that you installed. This is the menu that's at the top of our website from our starter template, and they called it top menu primary. So this is the one that we want to modify and make changes to so that people can access our courses. Now, on our site, we have home, shop, about, contact, and blog. Now, I just want to be straightforward here. Our website, the way that I was building this use case, doesn't really have the need for a shop. It has WooCommerce on it and some of the things that the site had set up as if I wanted to sell things other than courses. So that option is in this website. I don't have to leverage that in my menu. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click remove on that item. So now I have home, about, contact, and blog. Great. Now, if you look right here for most recent, we do see membership catalog, course catalog, and things like that. But if those weren't there, we would click on the Lifter LMS menu and we would see those things come up here as options as well. So I'm going to go back up here to pages. We're going to select most recent and I'm going to select, I don't really have a membership catalog per se, but I'm selling courses. So I'm going to add that to my menu. And you're going to see when I select add menu, it comes up here. And so now I have home, about, contact, blog, and course catalog. Now, do I want the course catalog to be the last thing? that my users see, or do I want it to be one of the first things? So what I might do is move it up and put it, make sure it's even there. So home, about, course catalog, and contact. Now here's something that's interesting. There's a thing called dashboard, and that's how students access like their accounts, what courses they're registered in, things like that. Do I want the dashboard to be in my main menu, which a lot of people might want, or do I want to put it like under the course catalog as a sub menu? I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to take the dashboard and I'm going to add that to the menu, right? Hold on. There we go. Dashboard, add to menu, and you're going to see it pop up down at the bottom again. Now watch, if I move this up right under course catalog, but instead of putting it all the way at the end, let it indent a little bit, you'll see how it says home, about, course catalog, then dashboard under course catalog, then contact and blog. Let's go ahead and save this menu. When we save the menu, it's going to move that menu to the front of the website. So as we go back to this, look now, it says home, about, course catalog. But when I hover over course catalog, I get the submenu for dashboard and then contact and blog. And so now if I want to go to the dashboard, I click right here and it goes to dashboard. And so that's how you adjust the navigation menu at the top of your website and incorporate some of the features of Lifter LMS into your overall website for your users.